Creamy and buttery dal makhani is one of India's most loved dal. This dal has whole black gram and rajma cooked with butter and cream and slow cooked for better taste. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Into a pan, take 3 cubes of butter. Butter should be generous in amount in this recipe. Let the butter melt little. Dal refers to lentils and makhan refers to butter. Add 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. I am not adding any onion in this recipe. Cook this for 2 minutes. Make sure the butter is not burning. Keep the flame on low, then put the flame high to medium after adding ginger and garlic paste. Now ginger and garlic are nicely cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix nicely. After mixing this nicely, add tomato puree. I have taken 3 medium-sized tomato. Mix nicely. Cook the tomato puree for 5 to 6 minutes. I don't blanch the tomatoes, just cut into pieces and make the paste. It has the deep vibrant red color as you can see. Now oil are oozing out and boiled black gram and red kidney beans. Soak the black gram and rajma in a large bowl with 3 cups of water. Soak for overnight or at least 7 to 8 hours. Wash the black gram and rajma very well before soaking them. I have taken 200 gram of black gram and 100 gram of rajma. If you want, you can take 50 gram of rajma also. Pressure cook on high medium flame with 3 to 4 cups of water. I pressure cook them for 6 whistles. Add salt to taste. Mix well. All dal should be completely boiled as you can mash them with your hand. When the pressure naturally releases from the pressure cooker, then open the pressure cooker. Now add half cup of water. Now cook for 20 minutes. Mix well. More you cook, it become more creamier and also change its color. It will get richer color. If you want, you can add little bit of green chilies also, chopped green chilies. It's nicely creamy in texture. Add half teaspoon of Kasuri Methi. Just smash between your palms and sprinkle it. Give a good mix. To this, add 1 cube of butter. Give a mix. In this recipe, you should be very much generous with butter and cream. It's a rich dal and made on special occasions. Now add 6 to 8 teaspoons of fresh cream. Whisk the cream before use it. Mix it little. You will get the best flavors of this dal if you let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. It will enhance all the flavors and makes the dal super delicious and creamier. When you slow cook it, keep stirring. You can give nice treat to yourself with this recipe at your home. Serve dal makhani with garlic naan, and jeera rice also. Buttery and creamy dal makhani is ready. Garnish this with butter and more cream. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button after watching this video. Do subscribe and share our videos and tap the bell icon. Stay happy and healthy. Thanks. Bye.